Hello friends, I am Dilip Davada, contributing editor on Chitrakoot.com for the IPO reviews. Today I am going to discuss with you about the forthcoming BSE SME IPO of EKI Energy Services Limited. This company is engaged in the business of climate change advisory, and majorly it does business for the carbon credit and gets over 95% of its revenue from the global markets. This company is coming out with its maiden IPO of about 18.61 crore. The IPO is opening on 24th of March and will close on 26th of March. The company is offering a share of rupees 10 each in a price band of rupees 100 to rupees 102 per share. Thus, this SME IPO is going to have book-built process for its maiden offer. The company has been doing carbon credit business and generating its credit in the domestic market, and it was being sold to the upcountry foreign multinationals wherever they were having demand for this, and thus company has created a niche play in this field and is now looking for some wider expansion, rather not expansion but for the working capital needs, because that is what is needed for this business. The company has been doing good business, and its client list includes Airport Authority of India, GAIL, World Bank, NTPC, GMR Energy, Indian Oil, RBI, NHPC, Indian Railways, etc., to name a few. And this company is doing this business in such a way that it generates good margin out of it, which is reflected in its working. If we talk about its last three fiscals working, then for FY18, it posted a turnover of 7.01 crore with a net profit of 0.27 crore. But its turnover rose to 19.88 crore with a net profit of 0.68 crore for FY19. And it further rose to about 66.02 crore with a net profit of 4.47 crore in FY20. And if we talk about the first half, then yes, of course, for first half it has done a good business with a net profit of 5.39 crore on a turnover of 59.96 crore. So company has been showing consistent growth in its top and bottom line, and according to the management, the company is poised for a very bright prospects, because this business is bringing them good play in the global market, and it has we can say good order on hand, but it is not disclosed because it's a forward-looking statement. So here I would recommend that this company, perhaps the first such company in a major play with carbon credit environment-friendly advisory service. So I would request investors to consider this IPO for investment from medium to long term, and I think they will definitely make good money if they stay put in this IPO or long post listing. Thank you.